What's going on, my home cooks and chef? Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. Springtime, so that's lighter food, and that's when the salads start coming out. Right before summer. So what we're gonna be doing is an Italian pasta salad, you guys. So I'm gonna show you all the ingredients, and everything. We're gonna get into it and show you a very simple way. The ingredients. Let's start with the pasta. So this is a nice pasta. It's a rainbow Twizzler pasta. I like to use this one. This is about 4 boxes. If you're doing large, but I have in the description, for a smaller set. So next we have some sweet peppers, some cherry tomatoes, some red onions, some black olives, some cucumbers, and we definitely got to have some salami or any kind of meat. Sometimes people do ham, and what you want to do is I'm gonna throw a little cilantro. Some people do parsley, but I like a little kicking it up, a little flavor with parsley. So, and we're gonna use this Italian. We're not gonna start from scratch. We're gonna use this Olive Garden. It's amazing, dressing, toss it up in. So get about 2 of them if you're doing a large one, but you only need 1. Okay, and this is the pasta if you would like to know. And these are the ingredients for those that are interested in, how to boil the pasta. But we're not gonna get into it. We're just gonna assemble it. So, all right, so let's get over to assembling it next. All right, so what I did was I put. If you don't have a tub, you can actually toss it in your pan. But I'm already getting ready to assemble everything in here. So let's start with the sweet peppers. Spread them around, sweet peppers. Now, it might seem like a lot, but you gotta remember you have a lot of pasta. So next you want to get your cherry tomatoes. Now you can cut them up. You don't have to cut them up. It's up to you. It depends. Next we're gonna actually add in our black olives. It's gonna be a very colorful pasta salad. And next is your red onion. Now it's up to you how much red onions you want to do. I'm saying, like I said, it may look like a lot, but once you toss everything in, all the ingredients, you're gonna notice that. Next, you want to add in your next green, which is your cucumbers, you guys. So slice them up however you like. You can do big, small, depends on how you would like to do it. And right now, this is where I like to add meat in mine. Some people like to add cheese or stuff like that. You can do all of those things. This is kind of versatile. Now, so just toss the meat in, however you like. Now you can slice it up thinner than this, but it's up to you. And next we want to do is, last but not least, toss in your cilantro or your parsley, whichever one you prefer. Now this is when you start tossing everything together to mix it in with the pasta. So just toss everything together. And mind you, this feeds a lot of people. So, that's one thing I do like about the pasta. Making it, because it feeds a large group. I know you probably saw that come out, but large amount. And so I'm not. You notice I didn't add in the dressing first because I wanted to toss everything first. So mix it pretty good. Mix all the ingredients in. And if you see that you might need more of something, this is when you add stuff in to yours. All right, so that's pretty much it, you guys. And next you add in, like right now, you can keep it like this and then add in your dressing later. This is always something you can actually do the day before and stuff like that. That's really the reason why I like this, because it's easy, simple, not something that you can sit behind the kitchen and do. It goes quick, see all the colors, and it feeds a lot of people. So, I'm gonna show you once I, put it in the pan, how much it packs. All right, but let's get over to putting it in the pan. All right, so the reason why I put it in the pan already, the reason why I add the Italian dressing in, because I want it, because sometimes if you put it in a different container, all of the Italian dressing goes in it, And so I wanted everything to be in the same pan. So just pour it over, you know, while it's in the pan. That's one little tip. You know, I would just say, you know, don't pour it in something else that you're mixing. Just put it straight into, you know, what you're doing in. And since this is going to be sitting, you know, this is going to marinate, soak in those flavors, which I do like about that. So, you know, that's why I said it's always good to have it the day before or earlier in the day, because a lot of the flavors get to soaking into the pasta and the vegetables and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful spring Italian pasta dressing. You know, really was easy, simple. You can always add, subtract, you know, to it, whatever you like. Let me know in the comments, what do you add in your Italian pasta, you know, or your pasta salad? Let me know, you know, what you like to do. But I know that this is what I like to do. I got many renditions of how to do this. But I'm your chef, KC. Thanks for coming on by. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you tried this recipe out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.